Hello everyone, welcome to you all. It's me Gyanu Dahal. Today I'm going to discuss on mentoring. Why I'm interested in mentoring? Because it is beneficial for teachers, students as well as institutions. The rationale of my story is it aims to support novice mentors and those who are interested in mentoring. What is mentoring? Mentoring is a process through which a more skilled teachers offer support to another less skilled teacher. In mentoring, an experienced teacher engages a less experienced teacher in activities and conversation to support their professional development. It is an important and effective form of support to help novice teachers grow in their career. There are different roles of mentor. Mentor play the role of model, sponsor, acculturator, educator, and support. However, in the Nepalese context, less experienced teachers expect solutions to every problems related to teaching from mentors. They expect mentors to give teaching tips. They wish to get prompt answers from mentors. Mentors are experienced teachers but not well trained. I got in dilemma. I have been working on mentoring for many years. Did I follow the theory? What does the theory say? And what did I used to do? I'd like to find out. So I went through the recorded video, which I had done last year. I transcribed that. Then I checked and rechecked the transcription. Then I found I used to give suggestions. I used to dominate our conversation. I used to talk more. There were no balance between our mentee and me. It was more directive. Then I start thinking, why did I do so? Because of belief system, lack of time and resources, poor mastery on mentoring, less opportunity to practice, own professional development, cultural differences. During the TED module, I learned mentoring should be non-hierarchical, non-evaluative and non-judgmental, development and growth-oriented, empowering and non-directive. It should be supportive, emotional, technical, and reflective. After getting these ideas, again, I plan to practice it with my mentees. Then I again recorded our conversation, which we did recently. I transcribed that. I checked and rechecked the transcription. Then I found I keep balance in conversation. I create a positive and comfortable environment. I let the mentees share their situations. I find myself a good listener. What I realized during this process is mentors should be trained. As in our context, we believe all experienced teachers can be mentor. No, mentors should be trained. All the experienced teachers cannot be mentor themselves. They should be given enough opportunity to practice. They should be made resourceful. I have followed these books and articles to prepare this presentation. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening to me.